Have you taken any
Psychedelics.
Psychedelics.
psychedelics?
Psychedelics.
Psychedelics?
What do you have?
And if you have
Now it's time.
Now it's time to take.
And now it's time to
Maybe it's time for you to
speak up.
speak up.
Speak up.
Speak up.
Speak up. Speak up.
speak up.
You have to be your own man and learn to speak up and say what's on your mind.
But I just want to point this out because a lot of people will take, say, LSD or mushrooms, and they won't have a profoundly life-changing experience, and they look at me like I'm crazy because I say that these things have changed my life. So you know what? To each their own. To each their own.
It's different for everyone. It's different for everyone.
Psychedelics make you have funny ideas, but funny ideas are dangerous ideas, So that's the reason psychedelics are prohibited, because they encourage you to think for yourself.
When it comes to drugs, please, for yourselves, for your families, for your future and your country, just say no.
For those people who are having trouble establishing and maintaining boundaries, this is the last thing on earth they should get involved.
You gotta speak up, buddy.
You'll have to speak up.
Speak up. Speak up. Speak up.
Now, if you speak,
We can begin to learn the truth.
From you.
From you.
I know there is much we can learn from each other.
if we just listen.
Listen to each other.